How to blur a clip in DaVinci Resolve? Let's go. Hi guys, okay, so here we go. I'm playing this clip through and I want to blur this clip because this is going to be my background clip. So go to the color page and here is the one. So right click, add node, a serial node. Now if I ensure this is selected with the red box around it, then go to effects. Now I'm going to add a blur effect. Now just say you want to add lens blur. Now as you can see, you're starting to reach a limit with the free version of DaVinci here. You get this pop-up box and the watermark over the image. So it says, do you want to upgrade? Now I'm going to say not yet, and I'm going to reset the node and add one that I can use, which will be Gaussian blur in this case. Now you can edit how this appears with the effects tab, the settings on the right. So you can move these bars here. As you can see, the vertical and the horizontal blur lines are linked, but you can unlink them if you want and then move them independently of each other if you want to, have a bit more vertical to horizontal blur. Totally up to you. You can also change the border, as you can see here. So if there's black border selected there, or you can go down and select one of the other ones. The important thing here is just to go through all the settings and to try out different things to see what works for you and what you like the appearance of. Once you're happy with everything, go back to the edit page. Now I'm going to show you very quickly just how I'd use this with a couple of bits on the top. So I've got 3 books here. I'm going to add them over this blurred image. So ensure it's selected, then go up and I'm going to reduce the image size using the zoom and then just very quickly move it across to the left using position. And I'm going to do the same with the other video book images now. As you can see here, I'm stepping them out, so that means they're going to come on one at a time, which is a little more engaging, and if you have a voiceover, it means that you can use this more effectively then. And finally, ensure it's selected, clip over the top, and then reduce the size, and then move it across. And here you go. Now obviously you can start off with it unblurred and then blur it, up to you, but this very quickly shows you how you can blur a background and add some images over the top. So there you have it. I hope that you found this useful. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you next time.